Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic date and time handling. When working with date and time data in R, tasks include managing date and time objects, formatting timestamps, and manipulating temporal information. The lubridate package is frequently employed in R for efficient handling of date and time data. For example, it can be utilized to parse dates from character strings, extract specific components like day or month, and calculate durations between dates. This package streamlines the process of managing temporal data, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in date and time-related operations. To create date objects in R, you can use the as.Date function by specifying the date format. For instance, as.Date 220101 will create a date object representing January 1st, 2022. Time objects can be created using the as.POSIXct function in R. By providing both the date and time information in the specified format, such as 2022-001-1241, a time object will be generated. For example, executing the code date object as.Date 2022-0101, time object as.POSIXct 2022-0112 or stro will create a date object representing January 1st, 2022, and a time object representing January 1st, 2022, 12 p.m. To format dates and times in R, the strftime function is utilized. This function allows for customization of date and time output by specifying formatting options within the format parameter. Common formatting symbols include $Y for the year, $M for the month, $D for the day, $H for hour, $M for minute, and $S for second. For instance, to format a date stored in a variable called date_object as YYYMMDD, the strftime function would be employed like this. Formatted date, strftime date object, format equals $Y%D. Similarly, to format a time stored in a variable named timeObject as HHMSS, the following line of code would be used. Formatted time, strftime, timeObject, format equals $ACE. By understanding and using the strftime function with appropriate format symbols, our users can precisely format dates and times to meet their specific requirements in data analysis and visualization tasks. When working with date and time objects in R, you can perform various manipulations such as addition, subtraction, and comparison. The lubridate package offers additional functions to simplify these operations. For instance, in R, you can add days to a date object by using the days function. In the provided example, we have a date object to which we added 30 days, resulting in a new date. Another common operation is calculating the time difference between two time objects. The difftime function enables this calculation. In the sample code, we find the time difference in hours between a given time object and a specific date and time, 2022-0101 10 note. By incorporating these functionalities into your R scripts, you can efficiently manipulate date and time data for various analytical and visualization tasks. Managing dates and times in a program is like planning a schedule for a busy day. Just like how you prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines, you can sort and organize dates and times in a program. Setting reminders for important events is similar to creating alerts for certain date and time conditions in a program. Making sure everything is in the right order and easily accessible is key to effective date and time handling in programming. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code begins by creating dates for a start date, end date, and current date. We use as.Date and sys.Date functions to represent these dates. Next, we compare the current date with the end date to determine if the end date is in the future or has passed. Moving on, we set a deadline for a task using as.POSIXct function to include both date and time. We utilize sys.time to get the current time and then compare it with the task deadline to see if it's approaching or has passed. Furthermore, we create reminders for important events by combining dates with times using as.POSIXLT. We set a reminder time and check if it's time to send a reminder for the event based on the current time. Lastly, we showcase how to sort dates by converting a character vector of dates to date objects and then using the sort function to arrange them in chronological order. The sorted dates are then displayed for reference. This code snippet serves as a simple example of basic date and time handling operations in R, illustrating how dates and times can be managed efficiently for tasks, events, and scheduling purposes. When it comes to real-world applications, date and time handling is crucial in various industries. For example, in the financial sector, accurate timestamping and sequencing of transactions are essential for regulatory compliance and audit trails. Investment firms use date and time data for order execution, trade settlement, and tracking market movements. In the healthcare industry, precise timestamping is crucial for patient care, scheduling appointments, and tracking medical interventions. Electronic health records rely heavily on date and time information to ensure that treatments, tests, and consultations are accurately recorded and monitored. Across the globe, industries leverage date and time handling to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and maintain compliance with regulations. Proper management of dates and times ensures smooth coordination of events, deadlines, and tasks, ultimately leading to better decision-making and enhanced productivity. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.